Tushachukua gari tunaondoka.
Yeah, what's up my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy States. Kama kawaida guys. Yeah, so guys, it has been actually a long time before nianze post, before nifanye nini 1 2 3. By the way guys, let's start by appreciating that we're in the last month of the year. We're in December. We thank God for taking us through all the year. Everything has been amazing, life and everything, yeah guys. So guys, just enjoy your December. Yeah, we just have a few days, maybe like about 26 days or anything to December, to the end of the year. We get to January, we get to 2023. We get to 2023 with the new plans, with the new strategies and everything. Yeah, so guys, just stay strong, just try work. It's hard, maybe just try to change your 2022 into 2023 in a very, very amazing way or anything, guys. So guys, we as States family, anybody when you part of States Family Entertainment, we really thank you guys for being supportive, for supporting our videos, for always supporting our channel. We're growing and we can never complain that much, guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm actually here. There's something that I just want to address to you guys before it's late for me. Yeah, so guys, like yesterday, Jana, yeah, it was yesterday. Yeah, we had an interview with presenter Ali. Then unfortunately there was a bad news. Yeah, I've been having some what do we call it? I've been having some maybe arrears or loans with some banks or anything. Yeah, because you know, just as a businessman, you always know that businesses can never go right without loans and everything. So guys, I've been having some loans with the bank and everything, but yesterday as we were doing an interview, they just bumped in to as we were doing the interview. Yeah, and it really went down in a bad way. It wasn't good for me, but now guys, I thought of it because you know it was something public and everything, so I thought of it, maybe it might come out, then you guys expect my explanations or anything. Yeah, states what happened and everything, whatever. So I just decided, let me go, let me sleep, let me wake, but let me go, let me sleep. Now when I wake up in the morning, before I leave my house, before I leave for any other business, let me just address this. So if by any case tuzipate huko nje kwa gossips and whatever, we can always handle, and maybe you guys can always refer to maybe to whatever the explanation that I've given. So yeah, instead of kuuliza vitu more, but anyway, unfortunately these are life. And kama unajua, kama wewe kwanza ni mwanabiashara, you know how it is. Any time, any day, anything can happen. Business can go wrong or anything. So actually let's see what happened, guys. But I really feel bad and I don't even know what I'm going to do next. But as a gentleman, najaribu ku work my ways out. Yeah.
Inakuaje watu wangu nguvu, mimi ni presenter Ali, your entertainment P, and by the way the A is always for amazing. Siku zote na bidii kuhakikisha kwamba nakuletea stories tofauti za burudani, and of course leo niko na the statesman mwenyewe, crypto expert. Vipi bro, kwaje?
Salama?
Maisha yanakupelekaje? Okay, nimekuja nikutafuta kwa sababu nahisi kuna mawili matatu ambayo yanahusu in the industry, na nataka tuzungumze, and of course weke wazi. Kwanza hongera sana kwa kazi ambayo unafanya. Nimeona watu wengi sana pale kwenye Insta story wana enroll kwenye classes zako za crypto. How is it going?
The project is going well. I just can't maybe complain or anything because I just want to appreciate my people, my online family for believing in the project. We do a project to help them out, but just believing in someone is not that easy for everyone to come on, believe in everything that you say, that you train and everything. Because even the world or Kenya is full of stuff. So I just have to appreciate them, and you guys just continue believing, just continue taking the risks and everything. Yeah. So let's learn together, make this life together. Yeah. Put the power together.
Kabisa. Na pengine niulize, mpaka sasa hivi umefikisha students kama wangapi?
About 6,000, 7,000 students. Yeah. So yeah.
Students 7,000, 6,000.
Crypto, the project is really working well. So iko pale among the 7,000 just come in and register for the classes or anything. Yeah. So
na students pia au 6000 pengine wanajumuika pamoja na students wa nini inaitwaje wa international.
Yeah, international students now take in and everything. Yeah, but I think we have visitors kwanza here.
Niaje.
Salama.
Karibu.
How is everyone?
You okay?
Kwa salama.
I'm Alfred.
Alfred, hawa ni wale wasio wa nini?
Ndio.
Hapa. Wale wasio wanakuja huku tuambiwa wanauza vitu. Ama
No, we are here for a serious issue. Yeah, we are from Alpha Auctioneers Limited Company. We've been sent on regards to this car because you know very well that you defaulted on a loan that you provided with, and we've been sent to recover this car today.
Which one?
The KCU car, the Audi that we are seeing here, it's been long, we want to be seeing our course. That's why we are here.
At loan? What?
Yes, and I have the documents. You can as well go to confirm that what we are talking about is very true.
So which Audi exactly have you been told? Because do you even know the car that is there?
I think it's actually this one, KCU 336D.
But why did they not call me? So I didn't receive a call from them.
We have the recovery team just sent to come and collect the car. They are saying that the number you used to communicate with them is not going through anymore. You change all your contact.
My numbers are online. They've not been off.
With that, I don't have much information. I'm just here to do my job.
So what's your job?
I've been sent to come and collect your car.
Just try to be hearing. Okay.
That's actually why I'm here. I've been sent to come and collect the car.
But why? I don't understand why. Because even if it's about the loan, I think I've paid. Yeah, maybe I defaulted like I think once or twice. That's not enough to send you guys to come collect it. That's not enough.
I cannot talk that. I cannot talk about that very much, but you know, like I've said, I'll make.
Unajua mimi sielewi baba. We actually I've defaulted I think once or twice.
You know, with that, I'm just the. I work as the. I will come and collect the cars. I don't know anything about what you're talking about.
But
so with that, you can contact your bank because I didn't offer the loan. I've just been sent to come and recover this.
But I even talked to them yesterday. We had agreed.
But I don't know why I've been sent. What I'm only requesting is you can provide us with the car keys and try and.
No.
My friend, don't record us. I don't want my face filmed in that video.
Please just let them record. See you just into our compound. See tumepata kwa barabara wewe. Yeah, this is our compound.
Tunapata kwa barabara lakini kazi ambayo
reason why
imetoka
is recording because there is no reason why that we should be recording.
This is our private
It is okay. What we just here for, we just want to, we have brought for you the document and we're supposed
We've
to
gone
take
through
it
them.
down, and that is the main reason why we are here. For
Yeah, but
our company.
But do we really? Okay, it's okay, but I don't think we are supposed to collect it. I think we just this one we just talk out as gentlemen and whatever. You know, I've defaulted. Oza kwanza baba.
We are not here to discuss. We are sorry if you have been today, but we have given you all the things that are required. But we need to.
Kama ni pesa kidogo. Ni about sasa nilikuwa nalipanga hiyo loan 170,000
every month.
You default only 2 months man.
That's the reason why we are here.
340,000 man.
Ndio sababu tuko hapa.
Kwa mwanaume
Sisi tumetumwa na we don't want to go against the
tunazoongea hata by end of week.
end of week trade ni there deal na actually ndio nikingoja. Hiyo tu ikiwork out tu ni hivyo tu.
We are not interested in our deal. Right now I've come to serve my duty. I've come to do what I've been sent.
Bro, si wewe ni auctioneer?
Mimi ni auctioneer ndio sababu nimetumwa. Sijafanya hiyo kazi. Unajua vitu
At
naangalia
the
vitu
end
tofauti.
of the day utakuwa ukule kitu.
Na nilipo kule ndo baki nimekuja kuchukua hii. Sitaki kitu kingine kutoka hapa.
Lakini bro,
Wakati ulipwe kitu kwa nini? Na tumekuja kazi.
Sasa zingine bro, si unaweza enda tu nini? Wewe pia kwa tu nini? Kwa tu human. Sasa zingine mtu anaweza kuwa amekosa kidogo. Yeah, so you just go tell them that bado hujapata huo msee, you continue then
Before we came here, we had done our research and we knew that you are here.
Yeah,
we even managed to come with the recovery vehicle. It is outside there. And it's now high time. I think we should do what is right. Just give us time, we collect the car. The rest will be done by the...
Kwanza tunaongelesha na hawa say bro. Tunaongelesha tu umseni boys kaa sisi. Baba, huyu zamani aongei sana. Huyu zamani anaka at least mtu anaweza naye bro.
Check kitu and then by weekend.
No, it's not a matter about something. We're just giving you the report from the company itself, and what we need is that we have submitted the document. Process what we are required to do. Na tuweze kuendelea from there. So you will have to come to the company to solve na kampuni ili muweze kusort out hiyo.
But now so you know going to the company. Unajua mkishachukua gari hapa. Hii document mngekuja hapa. Hii document itakuwa inahitaji. Yaani mkishachukua hii kwenye kama ni auctioneer company hapa. We'll have to pay auctioneer's fee. Itakuwa imeongezekaมา 340 auctioneer's fee. I think we're checking about 60-70,000. Itakuwa nimeenda tuna 400,000.
Tupe kidogo by Friday tutakuwa imeisha story.
Tafadhali bro, wewe just on the phone.
Sisi hatujatumwa. Hatuna haja ya hongo maana yake tumetumwa kufanya kazi. Rushwa wala chochote tutafanya. Bro, tumalize kazi yetu mtaendelea na nini yenu baadaye.
Pia nyinyi msifanyie sasa ujinga. Kama tungekuwa kwenu mngetuambia hivyo. This is our place, we have the rights to do it.
The same right to cover. Let us just bring the guy.
We also have right to because we have the documents. You confirm that it's something that it is real.
Bro, talk to these people. Talk to these people.
No, this viewers.
Just bring the
email tumeambiwa tukupatie.
Umesema tuko na gari ya cover.
Yeah. Tuzasaidia the gate. Tutaita gari ingie ndani, tuchukue gari, we need the car keys as well because we are rushing somewhere else.
Bro, manzi.
Tunaweza fanya kitu ni usifanye.
Sisi tumetumwa na try kuharibu kazi. Unajua kupata kazi ni biashara tu. Sasa tushafanikiwa kupata kazi alafu
hiyo pesa ya auction hiyo ndio inawafanya askari kuchukua.
Yes, tu baadaye tu hata nusu.
We wanted that tungesema hiyo ndio tunataka, lakini tumekuja na barua.
Sent from the main office to come confirm.
You know the reason why we are talking too much, maybe it's not taking us serious. Let us go and bring the
What if you get the money, we make calls at least to delay like 1 hour to make calls.
In the meantime, let's take the car before you can raise the money as we are on the way. But right now you have to take the car.
But sasa unajua tu processes za gari kisha chukuliwa ndio tena.
Ndio tunasema pesa ulipewa, umekosa kufanya malipo, lazima tuchukue.
Bro, zingine wao unaelewa. Wewe nini unajua
ndio wacha tulete breakdown. We have to take the car. Patia huyu ukiwacha niite mtu wa breakdown.
Ukiwaita na leo just straight talk.
Okay, there's no problem. Let me call them right away.
Hata nichukue simu na wapigie tu wana.
Subaki hapa tuongee.
Yes, important sana.
Subaki hapa tuongee.
Kuna tunabonga. Tunaongea
Ubo ni mtiaji.
Ubo ni mtiaji sana. Unataka nini vipi?
Acha lete hiyo nini.
Bro, na hakuna kitu tunaweza fanya.
Sio mimi hata bro.
So guys, wako ready kuichukua.
Yes, Frank, where's the car keys? Hey bro.
Hata aziko karibu.
Wacha tulete fanya haraka tuone vile tutafanya hivyo kama sisi tunaenda.
Hiyo pesa ni extra bro. Hiyo pesa ni extra.
Unajua sisi tunafanya malipo. Unajua si ari yetu kuja hapa.
Sign 5 by 6.
Tutafanya hivyo.
Hata kama utaingia hapa by 6.
Tutafanya hivyo tukiwa
Wewe ni boy.
Shaleta breakdown.
Wewe ni boy.
Shaleta breakdown. Hatuwezi fanya anything besides what to do.
Kwani toa vitu zile zangu ndio ziko kwa gari.
Chukua kila kitu kwa gari. Ensure nothing is left in the car. Kama utapandisha mwenyewe au sisi tupandisha.
Gari songe.
No, just use them. Before ile inachoma hata kwa estate watu wanaweza changia kwa estate. Hapo tu tutaenda kuongea na hiyo bwana.
Nini leta kifunguo? Kuja kusongesha.
Chiki venye wana coordinate.
Hao ni watu fulani. Sasa watu wamenini. Watu wamenini watu wanachomea na
Guys, hiyo gari inachukuliwa, hiyo gari inaenda. So guys, gari ndio hiyo imechukuliwa. Hiyo gari ndio wase auction guys.
wewe kama mchunge isivuje hapo ni isivuje.
Hata nimecall moja hivi. Try iko sawa. Naweza try ni call bank yangu. Unafanya nini?
Bro, sio hizo bro.
Tushachukua gari tunaondoka. Sawa.
Ana.
another 40 minutes. Nikiwa mambo hivi sasa kazi haipo kwa.
Bro, 40 minutes. 40 minutes.
40 tumetuma. Tumetuma.
Bro, 40 minutes too.
We didn't offer the loans, tumetuma.
Bro, 40 minutes ndio unataka to go charge over 60k.
Ndio nakwambia. Sisi hatuna tia kwa gari, tumetuma.
Nimwambia ngoja 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Mpata nishame. 40 minutes.
Bro. Jana leo kufanya hivyo hata wewe utapata hiyo siku.
Oh, haina no.
Tuko kazi, tunaheshimu kazi. Tunaheshimu kazi, sisi kazini.
Acha kuongea vibaya.
Tunaheshimu kazi.
Hiyo gari chukueni. Na unamnunua kama hiyo.
Ndio tujalie tutanunua.